All right, so you're here with us on the deep dive, and today we're going to be talking about making money online.
Yeah,
But everyone's always talking about making money online, and it can be hard to figure out like where to even start, right?
for sure.
It seems like, there's a million different gurus out there all promising you the secrets to, like six-figure months and all that stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. And it can be really overwhelming.
Yeah. So we're going to be looking at how people are using AI, specifically DeepSeek and ChatGPT, to
Mm,
make serious cash online.
right. Like real people actually using these tools to make a good living.
Yeah, like $3,000 a week, good. And what's really cool is that you don't need to be like a tech genius or anything to use these tools.
Exactly. They've been designed to be user-friendly,
Yep.
so anyone can pick them up and start using them.
Okay, so let's break it down a bit for everyone listening in. What are DeepSeek and ChatGPT, and how are people using them to make money like this?
Well, ChatGPT is like this super powerful writing tool that can help you generate all sorts of content like blog posts, articles, scripts, you name it.
Oh, so you're saying you can just like tell it to write something and it'll do it?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not perfect. Of course, you still need to review and edit the output, but it can save you a ton of time and effort.
I see. So it's like having an assistant writer working for you 24/7.
Exactly. And then you have DeepSeek, which is all about data analysis. It can help you identify trends, find profitable niches, and really understand what people are searching for online.
So it's kind of like a market research tool, but way more powerful.
Right. It can give you insights that would take you hours or even days to uncover manually.
Interesting. So how do these two platforms work together to actually generate income?
Well, think about it this way. You can use DeepSeek to figure out what people are interested in and what they're willing to pay for.
Okay.
And then you can use ChatGPT to create the content that will attract those people, whether it's blog posts, videos, social media updates, you name it.
So you're essentially using data to drive your content creation.
Exactly. And then you can monetize that content through a variety of methods like affiliate marketing, selling digital products, offering freelance services. The possibilities are endless.
This sounds pretty promising, but I'm curious, do we actually have any real-world examples of people making money this way?
Oh, absolutely. There are tons of success stories out there. For instance, there's this woman named Sarah who was working part-time as a cashier.
Okay, someone like a lot of us then.
Exactly. She wanted to make some extra money,
Mm,
so she started using ChatGPT to create blog posts about health and wellness.
a topic she was already interested in, it sounds like.
Yeah, exactly. And then she used DeepSeek to identify keywords and trends that would help her content rank higher in search engines.
So she was really strategic about it.
Oh, yeah. And within 6 months, she was making over $4,000 a month from her blog through affiliate links and display ads.
Wow, that's incredible, all while still working part-time as a cashier.
Yeah, it just goes to show you that anyone can do this with the right tools and the right mindset.
That's really inspiring. And what about John? Tell us his story.
Sure, so John's a recent college graduate. He was looking for ways to make money online, and he decided to try freelance writing.
Okay, a pretty competitive field.
Yeah, it can be. But John used ChatGPT to help him write faster and more efficiently.
So he was able to take on more projects and make more money.
Exactly. He was also using ChatGPT to write really compelling proposals, which helped him land more clients.
Smart move. So how much was he making?
Within a year, he was making a consistent $3,000 a week, and he's actually in the process of building his own writing agency now.
Wow. So he's not just making a living, he's building a business.
Exactly, and it all started with these AI tools.
Okay, so we've heard these great success stories, but for someone listening who's thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but where do I even begin? What are the concrete steps?
Well, the first step is niche selection. You need to choose a specific area to focus on something you're interested in and something that has the potential to be profitable.
So not just any random topic.
Right. You want to use DeepSeek to analyze different niches, look for trends, identify keywords, and find an audience that's not being fully served.
I see. So like finding a gap in the market.
Exactly. Once you've got your niche,
Mhm.
the next step is content creation.
Yeah.
This is where you use ChatGPT to create high-quality content that's valuable to your target audience.
So we're talking blog posts, videos, social media updates, all that good stuff.
Yeah, and remember, quality is key. Even though you're using AI, you still need to make sure your content is well-written, engaging, and informative.
Makes sense. So we've chosen a niche. We're creating great content now. How do we actually make money from it?
That's where monetization comes in. There are lots of different ways to monetize your content. You can sell digital products like ebooks and online courses.
Right.
You can promote affiliate products. You can offer freelance services. You can even set up display ads on your website or blog.
So lots of options.
Yeah, the key is to experiment and find what works best for you and your niche.
Okay, so let's say we're making some money now. How do we scale things up, take it to the next level?
Scaling is all about automation and optimization. You can use DeepSeek to track your results, see what's working, what's not, and make adjustments accordingly.
So constantly analyzing and improving.
Exactly. You can also use tools like Zapier to automate repetitive tasks and free up your time.
Interesting, but isn't there a risk that with all this AI-generated content flooding the internet, it'll be hard to stand out?
That's a valid concern, but remember, it's still all about quality. If you're creating content that's truly valuable and engaging, people will find it.
So it's not just about quantity, it's about quality.
Exactly. And you can also use DeepSeek to help you with SEO, optimize your content for search engines, and make sure it's seen by the right people.
Okay, that makes sense. Now, what about the technical side of things? Are these tools really easy to use even for beginners?
Yeah, absolutely. They're designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to figure them out.
That's good to know because I know some people might be intimidated by the thought of using AI.
Yeah, but trust me, it's much easier than you think. There are tons of tutorials and resources available online, and the platforms themselves offer great support.
All right, so to wrap things up, what are the key takeaways here? What do you want our listeners to remember?
I think the biggest takeaway is that anyone can make money online with the help of AI tools like DeepSeek and ChatGPT.
You don't need to be a tech genius or have a ton of experience.
Exactly. All you need is the willingness to learn and the dedication to put in the work.
And of course, a good niche and some high quality content.
Right. But the point is that the tools are available now and they're more accessible than ever before.
So it's really about taking that first step and seeing where it leads you.
Exactly. Who knows? You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve.
Well said. So for all of you listening out there, what's your next move? What niche are you going to explore? What kind of content are you going to create?
What will be your path to online success?
That's it for this deep dive. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, everyone.
And until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
We'll see you soon.
Bye for now.